I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
It's not a whisper. You have to whisper.
Say, I love you.
Can you protect me more quietly?
What?
You say good morning? Speak! Good girl. Whisper.
Good night. Good boy.
Lorna.
Whisper.
Oh.
Whisper. Whisper.
Quiet speak. Good girl.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Don't tooth this time. Whisper.